crazy. Don't judge. I literally just woke up. That's how real I am going to be for you guys. I rolled out of bed. Didn't even brush my teeth yet. It is August 12th. It is 9:02 in the morning. I am starting this vlog off because we are doing the vacay prep for my trip, my birthday trip coming up. My birthday is August 20th and the trip we leave August 19th. So we're gonna go ahead and get this hair situated. I know I'm doing it pretty early. It's because I have a busy work week this upcoming week. So today's obviously Saturday. I'm gonna do my hair Sunday, but my sister's helping me part my hair today because I wanna make sure the parts are nice and crisp, okay? She's gonna help me with parting the back of my head because I don't wanna do it. Like, get somebody else to do it.
Get somebody else to do it.
Oh. So I love her, appreciate her for doing that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed so I can head over to her home, and I'm gonna just obviously show a couple clips of that, but this video is gonna be like a montage of me prepping for the trip. I wanted to make my YouTube videos more vlog style, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in a second when I head over to my sister's.
Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, I calling me cashes. March like Bob Saget, greedy, I can't pass it.
All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna show you the hair that I got. So I got 3 packs of the 3X Ghana, so and basically in total like 9 packs. I hope to God this is enough. I was on a budget at the time when I was buying it, so I was like, you know what, we're gonna do a 3, and it's better. I always overbuy, so this is my first time kind of underbuying hair. Underbuying, like that's even a word, but this is my first time buying, like, you know, just enough. And these are gonna be for the curly pieces for the boho. So these are extension like clip-ins. I'm gonna cut it and use the hair. In total, I paid about $47.88 for all of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to my sister's now. I gotta get gas, and then we're gonna be at her home. Go ahead and part my hair up. All I'm taking is the 24-hour edge tamer. She's doing obviously the rubber band method, so I'm doing rubber bands. I got my rat tail comb. I'm gonna blow out my hair again with my brush thing. I'm sorry, this brush blow dryer, amazing. Oh, this lighting is horrifying. I need to get a car mount for my camera. I have one for my phone. This is the old Mercedes, you guys. I'm so blessed and thankful for this baby. It's a 2000 Mercedes. Definitely on the cusp of being my age. I'm gonna see you guys when we get there, and yeah.
My babies and I'm still taking a plan B. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can see it, it's so embarrassing, all of the love I see living inside of me. I can see how
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I look kind of crazy right now, but went ahead and finished the top part of my head after she already did the back. You can see the parts are done, so it'll make it so much easier for me to do the hair style. I just wanted regular box parts. Thank you, sister, for doing my hair.
Well, he looks at me and I look at him.
You're welcome. Morning, you guys. So it is Sunday, August 13th. We are going to go ahead and start the hair process. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm just gonna probably speed through this part because I'm trying to get it to, you know, I'm really just trying to get it over with, to be honest, and just have it done because I want to be cute, like, already. I want to be cute already because I know I'm gonna also make TikTok content as well, so like just a quick little tutorial or just showing how I do it or put it in. Let this be a reminder that you yourself can learn how to do a little something, do a little 1-2 for your own hair, okay?
look at me, where she wanna be, call me Vicky T, off the leash, I feel like a dog, I can have the flea, keep it clean, never needed you, but you needed me, I got cream, make a bitty clean, boost your self-esteem, I get tight in the morning, so I feel like baby king, cause it's black, step on something, so I just like baby D, I don't cold, pussy awesome, like you know it's getting cream, I got hoes, when there's not enough, come feel the nicotine, I don't chance, I tell that nigga, Push up battery, need a brand new beat.
Y'all, we are done with my hair. It is nice and curled. The bottom has been curled as well. So I don't know, I feel like wish I could be. I don't know, I feel like Ariel. Like I just feel really cute, and that's what I wanted really. I just wanted to I don't know. This is definitely cute. This is definitely cute. The only thing that would have made me feel a lot better about my hair is if the freaking roots, is if I bleach my hair again, because I don't like seeing the black peek out, but hey. I only used 2 packs of the 3X. I didn't even use all 3, which is crazy. I thought I didn't buy enough, but I only used 2. Definitely highly recommend this hairstyle. Y'all get into it. Cannot wait for my trip. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I get my nails done. All right, you guys, so I am actually at the nail salon. I'm in my car. I'm done. I didn't bring my camera to work. I'm coming from work. I got the work clothes on. Yup. Yeah. So I'm at the nail bar or some nail salon by my job because I want to get it done. My skin looks pretty good. I want to do this type of style, so I'll put it on the screen for you guys so you guys can see what style I was trying to do. I hope they are able to do it. Sometimes I get a little camera shy in the nail salon. We'll be right back. I might show clips of me in there, so yeah.
I've been thinking about you. You no. I've been no. I've been you no. I've been thinking about you. No. I've been thinking about you. You no. Love.
These are what the B-Day nails are looking like. Super cute. I just wanted French tip, and I saw the little nail design or whatever, so he did his little dollar. It's cute. This is the other side. For my vloggy vlog. Hello, thanks for
I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into.
I have my camera set up because I just got back from the stores that we went to or whatever. I'm gonna do a little haul, just travel essentials really. Sadly, your girl Flo could possibly be interrupting my birthday plans. So yeah, I'm just being proactive. I got me some Advil just to make sure that at least I'll be okay, just in case my cramps wanna post up. Got some makeup remover wipes, so very essential. I don't know why I got this. Personally, I don't even need this. That's take a girl to Target, she always come back with something she don't need. Vaseline. And I really wanted to get these little baby ones. I feel like they're so cute. So cute. I got the mini toothpaste, the travel toothpaste, because I do not want to bring my big one that I have in my closet. I just don't feel like doing that, so got the the mini toothpaste. I got a little bit of body soap. It smells really, really, really good. I got a new sponge because the one that I have literally has a bullet hole in it. Like it looked like I took a bite out of it. I got a little travel size bottle to put some of my Dr. Bronner soap because I do not use regular body soap on my parts. Okay, I don't do that. I got me a little tongue scraper. Oh my god. Floss. I got 3 so I could stock up of the Wet n Wild Sima eyebrow pencils. Y'all know how much these are the goats. These are the originals for me. I don't use anything else. I use the dollar pencils from Wet n Wild. I needed some because literally all of mine, hold on, let me show you. All of mine look like this. And then last but not least, I got this Black Girl sunscreen. This is what we need. We need to make sure that our skin is gonna be nice. And I got the one that you could put on the face. So this is, well, you can put this on your body too, but I got the squeezy one, so I'm gonna be using this underneath my makeup while we're there in the trip. Y'all, I'm tired. I got work in the morning, so I will see you guys for the rest of the vacay prep. So it is Thursday, August 17th, and basically everything is pretty much done. Today I'm gonna go get my toes done. I'm not gonna show that because I'm literally just gonna get a color change, not even a pedicure, like literally just color change. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be packing. At the bag, I got my carry-on bag. The name of the game is always put your trip clothes in a carry-on bag. It's free every time. Love to see it. So yeah, we're gonna be putting my clothes away. I got these cute little compartment bags from Shein. Shein sent me these for review. So hey, we're gonna be using them. It says like face, hair, skin stuff. But yeah, so cute. I'm gonna make sure I use them, or at least one of them or a couple of them at least. And then yeah, basically I am closing this video out right now because I am gonna go ahead and film basically the clothes and stuff, the packing, what I'm packing. I'm gonna film that in a TikTok and a reel. I believe I'm gonna make it just either a TikTok and a reel or just a TikTok. And if you guys obviously will have to see that video to know the fits and whatnot. So yeah, we're just gonna be packing up the stuff and whatnot in the bag, and just yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day. I'm actually on my work break right now because it's like around 12 o'clock right now. So I'm just gonna be packing my stuff and recording. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys for watching all the way through. And the next video you see on YouTube will very much be the vlog. So yeah, definitely gonna be making short-term content, or basically TikTok and Reels content while I'm on the trip. So y'all make sure to follow me on my socials, and I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye.